friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make veg korma. Yes guys, this is a dish we always prefer to order in restaurants. So come on guys, I am making the dish and you note down the ingredients and the recipe. To make veg korma, I have started to heat up the kadhai. Add half cup of finely sliced coconut and 7 to 8 cashews slit into half. Roast it till it turns golden in color. Now remove it in a bowl once it's done, and then when it cools down I'll turn it into a paste. I'm just going to grind it. Now to the kadhai add more oil. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 bay leaf, some red chilies, whole red chilies. After adding 2 whole red chilies, I am adding 3 green cardamom, that is small cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks, small pieces of cinnamon stick. After this is done, add half tablespoon of ginger paste and half tablespoon of garlic paste and saute it till the raw aroma diminishes. Add 1 big onion chopped. Just saute it. Add 1 bowl of capsicum, half bowl of carrot, add half bowl of French beans, and 1 big bowl of cauliflower florets, half bowl of green peas. Just mix it all and saute well. To this add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 level teaspoon of red chili, teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Now mix it and roast it well for around 30 seconds. Now add a bowl of tomato puree. This is 3 medium sized tomatoes which I have just grinded and turned into paste. So just mix it well and roast it and cook it till it starts to leave oil from the sides. Add salt to taste. Now to this I'll add the coconut and cashew paste. Mix it well. Add a cup of water and let it simmer for around 5 minutes till all the vegetables get cooked completely. Also add some roasted dry fruits, cashews, almonds and raisins. So just add some and mix it, and some I have just restored to garnish. Now once the vegetable is done, the final step is to add the cottage cheese cubes. There are 2 ways of using this. You can either fry it in the oil and add it, or you can just add it at the last and mix it well. Finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves and now mix it well. And last but not the least, add just half cup of fresh cream, mix it well, and the veg korma or Navratan korma is ready to serve. You can serve it with naans, parathas, rotis. This will taste just awesome. And the main thing is this vegetable is neither too spicy nor too mild, so everyone can enjoy this dish. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more and more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.